Hello, welcome to this movie on how to keep Windows Vista clean. My name is Marcos Ortiz. I'll be your instructor for this movie. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start here, start button. And what's really cool is that they've integrated this search box here. Makes it real easy to find things now. So in the search box, we're going to type in percentage TEMP percentage, and that gives us our temp file. If you notice up here, it's our temp file. You can either click here or just hit the enter key. I'll hit the enter key. Okay, so now we've got this folder with all our temp files. So what we want to do is we want to clean all this clutter out, because once this builds up, then it has a tendency to slow your system down. So by doing that, we're going to go to organize, select all. We're going to go to organize again, and we're going to click delete, and we're going to tell it yes. It's asking, are you sure you want to move these 13 items to the recycling bin? And we're going to tell it yes. Okay, there's one item that cannot be removed because it's opened by another program, which is fine. That's okay. This particular folder here is the software that I'm using to record this video with, so it can't delete it. So we're just going to go ahead and skip it because it's being used right now. Okay, so we've got our temp file clean. Now we've got another second temp file that's located inside Windows itself that needs to be cleaned out as well. So for finding that folder, this time we're going to type in just TEMP and just hit enter without percentages, and that's our Windows temp file there. So what we're going to do is we're going to organize, select all, organize, and hit the delete key. And once again, it's asking, are you sure you want to move these 2 items to the recycling bin? We're going to tell it yes. And it won't move this file because this file is being used by the program that we're using now. Skip it. Okay. We're going to close out our window. We're going to come back here. And this is like really cool. This search box is just really awesome to use. So I'm going to type in internet. And as you notice, once I just type in enter, you get all these folders up here with all these options. So this is the one that we want. So we're going to go ahead and click here, internet options. And then all we have to do is just click delete. And it says delete temporary files, history cookies, safe passwords, and word form information. And what I like to do is delete all my history as well. So I'm going to put a check in that box and click on delete. And by default, it just has these boxes checked here. Temporary internet files, cookies, history, preserve favorite website data. So what I want to do here is just click form data. And I like to get rid of my passwords. I don't like passwords being stored in my computer. And in private filtering data. And I want to just click delete. Okay, so we've got rid of all our cookies and all the cache. So we want to click apply. Okay, now our window's closed. Next thing we want to do is empty the recycling bin. And why? Because everything got sent there to the recycling bin. So we want to right click on our recycling bin icon, and we got to be a little careful here because they put this delete button here. Now don't get confused. You don't want to click on this delete button thinking that you're going to delete everything that's in the recycling bin, because what it's going to do is going to get rid of that recycling bin icon by doing that. So we don't want to do that. We want to go to empty recycling bin, and we want to left click on that, and it's asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 13 items? We're going to tell it yes. And that's it. You've already cleaned out your system and you're good to go. Thank you for joining me with this movie.